Pencil, notebook. Tax and tip. So still the same unit, ratio and proportion. Let's learn about sales tax and tips. So today goals, Anthony, can you please read it?
Today's goal. I understand and can solve problems about sales tax and tip.
So we're gonna focus mainly on solving word problems about sales and tax. First activity, warm up. The price of sunglasses. I want you to notice and wonder. Okay, let's get started. Vidun, can you please read?
You're on a vacation and want to buy a pair of sunglasses for $10 or less. You find a pair with the price tag of $10. The cashier says the total cost will be $10.45. Yeah, $10.45.
Excellent. So, guys, what do you notice and what do you wonder about what Vidun just read? What do you notice? What do you wonder? Yeah, I see, Abdulaziz, what you typed in the chat. Good job, Zena.
Miss Fatima, sorry I'm late. My Wi-Fi is a bit bad today.
Yeah, no worries. I'll change your attendance.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Welcome. Faisal, what do you notice, Faisal? Why do we have an increase in price? So the tax showed it's $10, but when you go to pay, the cashier says that you need to pay 10 point.
Tax.
Yes, it's a tax. Bravo, Nasser. Thank you. Okay, the sale tax, guys, it's a free pay to the government. The amount of tax is a percentage of the price of an item given. You will see, guys, that taxes differ from a city into another, right? They're not the same. How much
Miss,
sales?
I have something though, but like Miss, for example,
Yeah,
so for every country they have like different taxes.
correct.
But in like pretty much every single country they have VAT,
Correct.
which is like when you buy an item they're gonna tax you.
Yes, excellent.
But like for example, like in America, there's a lot of different other taxes like income tax, land tax.
You're right.
They
You're
kind
right.
of tax you just for being on America.
Yeah, great job, Nasser.
So yeah, so because are we taking tax or is it just because you want an example for percentages?
No, actually, we are focusing today on the taxes. We're gonna
All
see
right.
how to calculate it. Yeah, Faisal, would you like to add anything?
Yeah, Miss, I have to find the percent, right?
Yeah. So they said 45 cent is what percentage of 10. So since there is an increment of 45 cent, what is the percentage of $10? How can we calculate this? Do you have an idea? So they tell you there is a tax of 5% or 6%. So according to the example we have, 45 cent is what percentage of $10? Do you know how to calculate this?
Miss, is it 4.5?
Yes. Yes, excellent. So we're gonna simply, guys, divide 45 by 10, which gonna give us, bravo Faisal, it's 4.5%. Correct. Okay. Now, what is the sales tax for our area? So in Riyadh, do you have an idea what is the sale tax? Let's say on grocery and items you buy. Do you have an idea how much is it? All right, I'll tell you. It's 15%. Okay, it's 15. Okay, let's move now to yes, Tommaso.
Miss, but when this tax happen?
Whenever you buy any item, you go to the supermarket, you buy things, they include the task directly.
Discount. It's like a discount.
No, not a discount. It's extra pay
It's not.
for the government.
Oh, okay. Thanks.
Okay, so as the example we saw, Tommaso, the glasses, the price was $10, but you pay $0.45 in addition to that price. So you pay in total 10.45. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, let's watch this example. You don't have to write anything, guys, for now. Just watch and pay attention to how are we going to calculate the tax in this example.
Tax and tip. Lana and Allie had dinner at their favorite restaurant. The bill came to $50 before tax and tip. Tax is a required contribution to the government that is added to the cost of some goods and services. Tip is additional money given to someone who performs a service. Both tax and tip are calculated as a percentage of the total bill. Let's calculate how much Lana and Allie will pay in tax if it is 7% of their bill. To calculate 7% tax on their $50 meal, we ask the question, what is 7% of 50? 7% as a decimal is 7/100. Of indicates multiplication. 7/100 multiplied by 50 equals 3 50/100. The total amount of tax Lana and Allie will pay is $3.50. Great work! Now, if Lana and Allie decided to give their waitress a 20% tip, then how much tip should they pay? To calculate 20% of the $50 bill, we must calculate 20% of 50, or 20/100 multiplied by 50. 20/100 multiplied by 50 is 10. Lana and Allie are planning to leave their waitress a $10 tip. Finally, to calculate how much Lana and Allie will pay for their meal after tax and tip, we must add their bill, the tax, and tip together. Their meal was $50, plus tax, $3.50, plus tip, $10, makes the total cost of their dinner $63.50. In this,
Miss,
Yes.
can you go back, please? Can
Okay.
you go back?
For what?
Because I need to copy something.
Yeah,
Can you please
here
go
is
back?
it. Here is it, Tommaso. Do you see it?
Okay, can I just screenshot just 1 second?
Yeah, sure. Okay, so guys, in order to calculate the tax, since they said it's 7%, we can turn it into a decimal. It's gonna be 7/100, which is 0.07. Same thing for the tip, 20%, so it's a 20/100, which is 20 times the 50 is the bill, the total bill given. So for the tax, they need to pay 3.50, for the tip, $10. So we need to add the bill plus the tax plus the tip in order to find the total cost of this dinner. All right?
Okay.
Okay. Let's move now to our first activity. Okay, I want you to go now, guys, to the slides I shared on Google Classroom. Before I start explaining the activity, you need to go to slide 10. So the slide titled tax and tip. You need to go to slide 10. Let me write it. And you need to get this link. Okay, activity 1.
Okay.
Once you open it, please let me know so I can explain the activity before I put you in a breakout rooms. This one, you will work on it as a group. So please open it. Let me check if I can drop it in the chat.
Miss, we're doing this as a group, right?
Yeah, as a group. Okay, let me just send you the link. We are doing activity 1. I know in the document you have activity 1, activity 2. For now, ignore activity 2. We're just focusing on activity 1. So they said in some places there are different sales tax rate for different types of items, like clothing, food, medicine, cars, as Nasser mentioned at the beginning of the class. So the cities in this question, which is in activity 1, have a single sales tax rate for all the items. So they give you two different cities with two different um, tax rate, okay, city 1 and city 2. So if you found the tax rate for city 1, it's going to be the same for all the items given. If you found the tax rate for city 2, it's going to be the same for all the items given as well. Okay, I'm going to help you by finding the tax rate for city 1, and you need to complete both tables, guys. Okay, you're gonna do the work together in the breakout rooms. So in order to find, so what is given in city 1? So let's focus on city 1 for now. So we're focusing on city 1. They give me, so since the paper towel, I have all the information given. So from the first row, I'm able to find the tax rate. I have the price given, I have the sales tax, then the total cost after applying the sales tax. So I notice that in order to find the total cost, I need to find what will be the tax rate. So the tax rate, actually, guys, I can get it by simply dividing 0.48 by 8. 8.00, guys, it's 8, right? So dividing 0.4, one second, let me write it, 0.48 divided by 8, it's gonna give me 0.06. What is 0.
Miss, do I do it in my notebook?
Yeah, we're gonna solve it in our notebook. Javier, you just joined, which is 6%. So each time,
Oh, Miss,
guys,
I've been here since the beginning.
yeah, because I marked you absent. I didn't know.
Oh, yeah, because I joined 5 minutes late because I lost track of time because I was doing something.
Yeah, no worries. Okay, I'll change your attendance. So we're gonna multiply by 0.06, which is the 6%, guys. Okay, then in order to find the total cost, I need to add both price, the price plus the sales tax. Okay, you need to add 8 plus 0.48 in order to get the 8.48. Is it clear how I'm doing this? Okay, so for city 1, what is the tax sale? It's 6%. You need to do the same. You will divide the 0.64 by 8 in order to find what is the tax rate for the second city. All right? Any question before I put you in your breakout rooms? All right. Thank you, Louise, for sharing. Louise, you can go. Okay. This is city 1. Thank you. All right, guys, do you need help?
No.
You sure? You know how are we getting the sales tax and the total cost?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. If you need help, just let me know. I'll come back to your group.
All right.
Thank you.
Hi, Miss.
Hi,
Hi,
Ethan.
Miss.
Hi, guys. Yeah, thank you for sharing, Ethan.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Do you need help?
Nah, very good. Kind of.
Yeah, Ethan, tell me. What is it?
I mean, Miss, just
Yeah.
for the second one, like for the other city, like
Oh, sorry. Who was talking? Zena?
yeah, I had like
Oh,
a
sorry.
question on like
Yeah.
the second one.
Yeah.
So
Go
like
ahead.
you know how it says like 8 and 0.64?
Mm-hmm.
Is it like do you have to multiply by like 12.5 to get point, or you have to divide by 12.5?
No, no, we're not doing this. You're talking about the paper towels, right?
I'm talking, yeah, I'm
Yeah.
saying that like, is it what's it called? Is it like 8% or something?
No, it's
Or is
6%. 6%. How did we get this, Zena? I divided the sale tax, which is 0.48, by 8. Okay, I got 6%. So each time I need to find the sale tax, I need to multiply the original price by 0.06, which is 6%. After getting all the sales tax, I need to get the total cost. I will simply add the price with the sales tax. Yeah, did you get it?
yeah.
Okay, Ethan, your question?
So for the first one,
Uh-huh.
it says like for lamp, it
Uh-huh.
says 25 for the price, and then sales tax is 1.5,
Mm-hmm.
and then so how do I get the total cost
You
again?
just add them. You just add the price with the sales tax. You add it.
Also, then it's gonna be 26.5.
Correct. Yeah, good job, Ethan.
Okay.
All right, Bryce and Nasser, any question?
No.
Okay. Can tell me what did you get for the sales tax for the pack of gum?
26.5.
No, exactly. And please raise your hand before you speak. Faisal.
For what? Lamp or
For the, yeah, for the lamp.
um 26.50.
Yeah, correct. Okay, next.
Miss, Wallah, I just said the same thing. Wallah, I just
Yeah,
said
yeah,
the
yeah,
same thing, Miss. I
yeah.
swear I
I know,
said the same thing.
Ethan, but because you did not raise your hand. Okay, pack of gum. Island.
For the pack of gum, like the sales tax
Uh-huh.
is 0.06 and then the total cost is 1.06.
Excellent. Good job. Okay, for the last laundry soap. Javier.
For the sales tax, it's 0.72,
Yeah.
and for the total, it's 12.72.
Okay. So 12.72. Okay, for the last one, who can tell me if the price was X? How do we calculate the sale
0.6.
tax? Yeah, 0.06x. And what is the total cost?
X 0.0x6.
No, actually you're gonna add 1 and 0.06. So we're gonna get 1.06x. Okay, so whatever the price you have, you're gonna multiply it by 1.06. Okay, so this is what we mean by this. So the tax here is 6%. Okay, for city 2, who got the tax rate? What was it? Faisal.
8.
Excellent, it's 8%. Bravo. Okay, how did you get this, Faisal?
Because, Miss, I multiplied 25 by 4.
25 by 4.
And because 25 by 4 equals 100, and it equals 8.
Makes sense. Bravo, Faisal. Okay. or we can simply divide the sales tax by the price. Okay, it's gonna give us 0.08, which is 8%. Okay, for the lamp, Ethan, what is the total cost?
So for the lamp, what I did was I had 27,
Yeah,
and all I had to do was add 2.
great job, bravo. Okay, for the pack of gum, let me ask Mariam.
For the pack of gum,
Mhm.
I didn't do pack of gum. I only did the city,
Okay,
the one.
okay, no worries. Okay, guys, we're gonna multiply by 8%, which is 0.08. So by adding 1 and 0.08, it's gonna be 1.08.
1.08.
Yes, thank you, Javier. Okay,
Jinx.
for 12, did you get it, Javier? Did you?
I didn't really do it, but I think I can do it. You need to do 12 times 0.08, but I don't know. I don't know the answer.
Yeah, excellent. Yeah, we're gonna get actually 0.96. Bravo, Javier. And we're gonna add them in order to get the total cost, and we're gonna have 12.96. Okay, guys, I want you to copy the answers. I did not share it in the slides, so please copy it in your math notebook. For x, which means whatever the price given, I'm gonna multiply by 0.08, which is the tax rate. And for the total cost, it's gonna we're gonna add 1 plus 0.08x, which is gonna give us 1.08x. Okay, write it down. We'll move now to, I think we still have a question about CT3, and we'll be done for today. Island?
Is there going to be homework today?
No
I was
homework,
just gonna
guys.
ask if I could answer.
Okay. Island, you'll answer the second one. The homework, guys, no, I'm not giving you homework because you need to study for the formative on Thursday. Okay?
Miss, please. Wait a minute. I didn't write all of the answers.
Yeah, Anthony. Yeah. Copy it.
Yes, will it be on person next week or online?
We're not sure, Faisal. Tomorrow they will inform us. Okay? You will get an announcement from the school. All right, Anthony, once you're done, please let me know so we can move to the next question.
Yes, isn't it time to leave?
No, not yet. 3 more minutes.
Miss, we
Okay.
have like 3 minutes.
Okay. Tab, let's just okay, I wanted to do like an exit ticket, a quick question to make sure that you understand how to find the tax rate. So I think we're gonna skip it for today. So guys, no homework. Study well for the formative.
Miss, sorry, my Wi-Fi it lagged out, so I got kicked out.
Okay, no worries. I was telling your friends Nasser that I'm not giving you homework for tomorrow, but you need to study for the formative on Thursday. Okay? Yeah, you can leave, guys. You are free to leave. See you tomorrow.
Bye, Sharfi.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Yeah, Zena, you have a question?
Yeah, isn't the percentage of stuff gonna be like on the thing?
No, it's not included.
Bye,
Nothing about percentage is included, Zena. It's only unit rate, rates, proportion, ratios, and constant of proportionality, the graphs, the table. This is all what is included. Okay, you can check the task sheet. It's shared in the email.